If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Coinbase, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer incur unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. On the website, you can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. In the app, look for the Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, locate the Payment Methods section. This is where you can view all the payment methods linked to your account, including any subscriptions or recurring payments. Step 4. Review recurring payments. Look for a section that lists your recurring payments or subscriptions. This may be labeled as subscriptions, recurring payments, or something similar. Review the list to identify any charges you wish to stop. Step 5. Cancel the recurring charge. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Coinbase account. Always remember to review your subscriptions periodically to avoid unexpected charges in the future.